Hey guys, so today I will show you how to change your steering wheel on your BMW E46. We have this traditional old steering wheel and we will be changing it for our brand new, well, it's actually not brand new, but we just made it to look like it's brand new and I can't wait to put it on. We wrapped it in a new leather and we painted this bottom plastic. It's not perfect, but it's kind of close to being perfect. So yeah, so I will show you how to remove this steering wheel, and bonus, I will also show you how to remove this steering wheel, because it's quite a different process. Also, if you would like to know how to make your M3 steering wheel look like brand new again, leave a comment. I have some footage of how we restored it, and I can share with you and where to get all the materials, what products to use, and how to make it look like this. Alright, so let's get started and go from this to this. So first things first, don't forget to disconnect your battery and put the terminals somewhere safe so they wouldn't touch the battery. And after the battery is disconnected, there are two bolts that needs to be removed, and they are located right here, as you can see. They are on the both sides, so after you remove them, the airbag just pops out. And for the screws you will need to use the T25 head. So let's get to it. And as you remove the bolts, the airbag should slide right off. Here we go. The bolts are secure, they shouldn't fall off, so that's good because that means you won't lose them. And when the airbag is out of the way, you need to remove this connector that is right here. Push it from the top and it should slide right off. Put the airbag somewhere safe. And now we're only left with this 15mm bolt, for which you will need obviously 15mm socket with an extension. So grab it, and you will need to use a little bit of force or persuasion. Here we go. And when it's out of the way, you can just easily pop the steering wheel off and also put it somewhere safe. I'm sorry, at first I said it's 15mm bolt, but I'm sorry, it's actually 16mm bolt. My mistake. Anyway, when everything is out of the way, let's grab our new steering wheel and put it on. You cannot put it incorrectly because there's that a little gap which prevents you to putting the steering wheel incorrectly. So there's no other way to put it on, just only the correct way. Alright, when that is on, don't forget to put this bolt, because this is not the first time I'm doing it. And actually there was this one time when I assembled everything, when I put all the connectors in, put the airbag in, and I forgot to screw this bolt, and the steering wheel was loose, so then I had to take everything apart. And I will show you later how to remove this airbag for this kind of steering wheel. And for me personally, it's pain in the ass because you have to, well, you'll see. Alright, so let's tighten this up now. Alright, that is secure. Let's take our airbag, and now if your airbag is completely detached, near this connector you'll see a very short wire. That's the ground wire, and it needs to go right here. There is a little screw, so we will unscrew it and put it through this hole and tighten it up. And then we'll connect those connectors, and this is the second negative wire, ground wire, which goes right here, just slides on this metal plate. Now all you have to do is plug the connectors in, and be careful, since this wire of the airbag is quite short. Don't let it hang on the wire with the metals facing this plastic, because it will scratch it and you will regret it. So yeah, since my plastic is quite new. Alright, so now for the connectors. The steering wheel controls are this connector, which goes into the right plug. Now the second ground wire goes into this place, and now the airbag itself, I can't do it with one hand, but it will need to go right there in the middle one. Now before I completely assemble it, I will show you how to remove the airbag on this steering wheel. Since there are no screws like on the old steering wheel, you will find holes right here, like it will be in the same spot like there was bolts in the old steering wheel. And you need a flathead screwdriver. You just put it in the hole, and you will need to find this spring. As you can see, this is my flathead, so I just missed it. You need to find it, and as you can see, it moves. The spring moves. You just need to push it, and it will release one side of the airbag. Then you pop it out and go to the next side and do the same thing. So when everything is connected, tuck all the wires in this place, safe and secure. And when everything is safe and secure, place your airbag in the center and just push it in. So as you can see, both sides were locked in by that spring that I showed you before. So now when this is done, don't forget to connect your battery, and that's it. This is our new steering wheel. I really like how it looks. Well, of course it has some imperfections, but otherwise everything you can see, well, not including the steering wheel itself, but everything to make it look fresh, cost me around $30, I believe. So if you would also like to know how to make your steering wheel look a little bit more fresh, leave a comment and I will make a video about it. I have some footage of how I was making it, and yeah, I will try to make a video about it. So if you have any questions, also leave a comment. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel, leave a like if you found this helpful, and see you on the next video. Bye!